Hey guys, we are the Wickmans. As you all know, life is way too short, so we quit our jobs, sold all of our things, and set off on a journey of a lifetime. Join us as we chase our dreams around the world.
Alright guys, this is it. Daddy just finished up doing some dishes. Woo. We're doing our last final pack right now, trying to load everything outside.
Checking all our weights.
Yep, we've been checking all the weights about 100 times, trying to get everything right. Whew. These travel days get wild real quick. This is all of our stuff we have packed out here so far. We got the 2 car seats, most of our bags. It kind of stinks because when we first flew to Bali, we were on Singapore Air, and they have a whole different set of rules than our new airline. So we're having to try and figure it all out right now. Hi, Bubba's. You come outside to help Mama? Little binky boy. Huh? Are you excited to fly, girl?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to go really fast on that airplane?
Yeah, like this fast.
Whoa! That would be crazy if we went that fast. How fast do you want to go? What? Oh my gosh, that would be crazy. I was thinking maybe go a little faster than that.
Oh, pretty stressful. We got way too much stuff. We're gonna get charged an arm and a leg for this stuff. If they even let us bring this many bags, I don't even know. Gonna find out, I guess.
All right, let's see what can come out. We're throwing stuff away, I guess. We're gonna throw away Dad's one bathing suit he brought on this however long trip. This is the only bathing suit he has. I think we need that.
What else is in there?
This.
Blanket. We could probably just
That's my
have
blanket.
Araya hold or something. Like we can just hold it because blankets
That's
are
my
allowed like that.
blanket.
How nasty is this thing?
Pretty gross, but whatever.
I think just throw the clothes in there. Dump this.
Yeah, that half a pound, not even, bag's definitely doing it.
Ooh, I got some leashes. Oh, fins.
Oh yeah, the fins we could shove. I told you we could shove those in that one, your one bag that's way under. Trick tip: don't ever get a bag that can't hold 50 pounds because we have this thing actually maxed out to where it looks like it's going to explode and only has 36 pounds in it. So
Here we go. 32 kilograms.
everybody, say a little prayer for us.
It's like 32, 33.
All right, or we'll just figure it out when we get there. I always like to ask for forgiveness. Alright, board bags look like they're getting strapped down nicely.
I think when we get to Australia, we're gonna be shedding some things.
Bye, Tanita.
Sampai
Bye.
jumpa.
Say
Pak
susama.
Matur
Say
sesama. Very
Aw.
good boys, good boys.
Thank
Very
you for
handsome.
everything.
You too.
Alrighty, we're loaded up, headed to the airport. Taxi just picked us up. Thank you very much, sir. And we're on our way to Australia. You guys ready back there?
Ready.
I'm ready.
Oh, this is the calm before the storm right here. How do you feel it, Mom?
Better now that he stopped screaming at me
Yeah, well,
for 1 minute.
enjoy it because it's fixing to get real with all this stuff. So a little traveling tip: when you got this much stuff, make sure you bring some cash so you can pay somebody else to drag it around for you.
So Hotel Commune is actually who set up this transfer for us and just came and picked us up.
Wait, away.
One last drive. Buddy's out here in his kayak getting bent. Looks like he had a Don Naughty Rod. DonNaughtyRods.com. Go check him out. Titusville, Florida. They'll get you a rod.
This is where the airport is.
You're so smart, girl.
This actually just gave me a flashback of going to Bali and you being in the front seat. Like, it literally just gave me such deja vu of just like, oh my gosh, we are heading to a new location right now. Like, oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Made it.
Ooh,
We made it.
Right on time too, even 5 minutes earlier than we wanted to.
Hey, I say we're doing pretty good so far. Let's hope it just continues. We got all our stuff. Woo! Appreciate the help. Pretty unique looking airport. That's how I feel too, bud. Load it all up on the cart just to take it off 3 minutes later and run it through security. Already been standing in line for probably 20 minutes. Hopefully maybe another 20 we should be through here. All right, we made it to the front of the line. You knocked my surfboards over?
Yeah.
It's all good.
I literally watched it go in slow motion. I couldn't do anything about it because I was holding the handles down, and next thing you know, Raya's like helping push into those surfboard, just goes flying off top. I'm like, oh my god, no.
You're gonna be buying me a new board.
No.
Ooh, 0.1 to spare, baby. And they're trying to tell us that you can't have over 23 kilograms, but when you come prepared with the information, remember that, guys, because they like to do this on almost every airline. It's not any specific airline. They always try to do that. They just want that money, that's all it is. Update, we're still checking in.
It's always stressful, I promise.
Always. Hey, does that make you happy, walking around by yourself? Hi. What you doing?
Security, the best of times, the worst of times, because you finally got where you're going, but you really don't want to go there. There ain't enough stuff there, babe?
I think we need to start showing up 3 hours early. This whole running to the gate thing isn't fun. Babe, are we always the last gate or what?
It's like honestly a little weird, and I don't even know what to say about it.
We got gate 8 and we were like, oh nice, gate 8, that's not bad. 8 of 9, all the way at the end. My back is on fire. All right, going through our 17th security since we got here. I definitely would have thought this would have been it.
Come on! Yes, come on!
Well, come on, let's get on the plane.
Xander, let's get on the plane, come on!
Come on. Be careful.
Careful.
Look at him.
Big step, Bubba. She's on her phone doing some work right now. She's
Check
like,
out how many planes there are, baby.
2.
2? Whoa.
how fast will we be going?
It will be 10 minutes.
Only a 10-minute flight, so that's good. Say, Suksama, Bali. Thank you for the great time, the great friends, all the memories, and for being such a good first stop.
God, I'm so happy right now.
That felt like a trek, but it feels so good right now.
I don't know if you guys caught that back there, but we're always at the last gate. It is wild. We saw gate 8, and the dude even told us in immigration, said, oh yeah, not that bad. Not that far.
The farthest.
Second to farthest one in the whole building.
Ready for liftoff, baby. We're off the ground. Happy birthday, Granny.
Watch over us, Granny. Suksama.
Suksama, Bali. Thanks for being good to us.
Of course, Sissy's not feeling good. On a day when we gotta travel. That's not fun. Feel bad for her. How's it going, Mom?
Going good. We have a sleeping little girl, and we just ordered some food. We got the last 2 chicken and rices.
Saved by the chicken and rice.
She's like, oh, let me see how many we have. And then they called back and was like, there's only 2 left. I'm like, we'll take them. Thank you.
Oh yeah, just to be clear, if you fly Virgin Australia, they don't feed you. You get water, tea, or coffee, that's it.
What do you see?
Update, it's going good. It definitely ain't easy, guys. Update, Xander's sleeping. Oh, no he's not.
sleep for Xander. No sleep for Xander. What do you think
Poor
of Mom?
mama.
You guys prepared to land?
Xander slept so good the whole time. That was awesome. Just kidding. He never slept one time. He never even closed his eyes. Not one single time.
You ready? Is it at the plane?
I'm so ready. Are you?
Yeah. It's so fast.
Ready?
We're about to touch the ground. Here we go.
First stop in
3,
Australia.
2, 1. Brisbane, Australia. Straighten that thing out, sir.
Coming in hot, hot.
Yikes. That plane needs a little bit of some WD.
That was fun, guys. Let's do it again.
I don't think I've ever heard one do that.
Welcome to Brisbane. All right, another trick tip. You got a lot of stuff like we do. Just let everybody get off the plane and get off after them. It's so much easier.
Tanner, this is your first time in Australia, 1 year old. How do you feel about it? Okay, good. This is your first time in Australia at 3 years old. How do you feel?
Good. Where are you going?
We're going to the hotel.
But our hotel is so far away.
Hello!
Oh, wow.
Hello.
That's what we're looking for. It's funny how they always funnel you through the shops, don't they? You guys ready to go through customs? Ready to get that stamp? That Australian stamp?
I'm so excited. I was looking at all of my stamps in the plane ride and I was like, oh my god.
Are you starting to rack them up, girl?
Yes!
That's like, to me, that's like one of the coolest things. Having all the stamps on your passport.
Hey, are you excited to get another stamp on your passport?
Yeah, I want to get this stamp.
Thank you, Araya. Big girl. They were free.
Free, and all of our bags are here, like, so quick. Like, we just walked up and they're already here, so that's...
And the surfboards are over there. I see
You
it.
see it?
Woohoo! Here we go. That was what? It took us 5 minutes to get through here? That's
Oh
awesome.
my god, and we got stamps when they told us that they don't do stamps, but I kind of begged them and then they did it for us, so yeah.
Got everything loaded up.
And we're gonna try to get a taxi and get up out of here. Was that the #1 most pain-free airport you've ever been through?
100,000%. Like, what? We expected and prepared for the absolute worst and got the absolute best. That is what I'm talking about.
I'm talking Puerto Rico's airport is the size of a garage and it still was 10 times worse than this one. Crazy how easy this airport just was. Everybody's super nice too. All right, you ready to breathe that fresh Australian air?
Yes. All right, this is our first time stepping out into Australia. It's freezing.
Woo!
Yeah, once we get the van.
We're not in Bali no more, guys.
We surely ain't home.
Ascot, here we come.
Dad's hating on the hotel that I got us for the night, but it's one night and Ascot was a budget-friendly hotel. So we just got here and it says after hours, a key safe inside. So they aren't open, but it says put in the code, but we don't have a code. Oh yeah, here's where the problems begin. After staying at G-Land, this seems like the Hilton, I have to say. What do you think, Don?
I think it's still strange, but I think this is definitely not bad for the night. I like it. So this is why you do stuff like G-Land, because when you come to something like this, you're like, no big deal.
When you do 14-hour flights and your baby cries the whole time, it's like the worst. And then when you do 6-hour flights and your baby cries all the time, you're like, oh, this is a lot better than a 14-hour day. This is our shared bathroom because we don't have a private bathroom at this hotel. Nice showers. Not too shabby. It'll do. for one night. We have to stay near the airport because our rental car is at the airport, but we can't pick it up until tomorrow. So this is us.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and wrap today up. We got to Australia. We're fired up. We think Bigfoot's here. We think there's waves here. We think our friends are here. We can't wait to have a great time. Like always, like and subscribe.
You.